Ever wondered how to replace your old Instagram email with a new one? Here's how to do it. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your device. Then look towards the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. After that, click on the hamburger icon at the upper right. Furthermore, choose Account Center at the very top. Moving forward, select Personal Details. Here you will see the email link to your account. Simply click on it to continue. Now to add a new email, you will need to delete the old email, so just click on Delete Email and confirm your action when prompted. After that, click on Add a New Contact button, then select Add Email. Likewise, type in your new email address. Before moving ahead, take a moment to ensure your email is correct. Once you are confident, hit Next. Shortly after, Instagram will send a verification message to your email. Finally, enter the code and again hit Next. Finally, your Instagram email will be successfully changed, and that's all. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.